First, please ensure that you have all of the following parts. Next, we're going to attach them to the pipe. We will pipe in both sides in later, so please check the double lines. Hand tighten them first. Decide where you want to put them. Place the bulb on the outside and the nut on the inside. Insert the pipe up to the innermost line of the double line